Here's how to easily swap the telescopic arm of WindshieldFone for one of the shorter arms. First, loosen and remove knob B from the swivel section on the rear of the phone holder. Next, while securing the bolt head on the opposite side, loosen and remove knob E from the hinge of the suction cup base. Once you've removed knob E and its bolt, spread the hinge section and remove the telescopic arm. Choose either the short arm or medium arm based on your preference. The same process will install both. Position the bowl-like swivel section of the arm against the screw on the rear of the phone holder, then add and tighten knob B until secure. Now, slide the opposite end of the arm into the suction cup base, again spreading the hinge to accommodate the arm. Slide the bolt into the hinge, and while holding the bolt head, add and tighten knob E until secure. Nice work! You've installed one of the shorter arms onto WindshieldFone. Thanks for watching.